Hi you guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Lori. I am doing this is a special video. It is part of a collab. It is the Shop Miss A collab that I am doing with a beautiful group of ladies that I am part of over on Facebook. It is the Unboxers YouTube group. And this collab, our beautiful, I would say, what do they call him? They call him the organizer. Okay, anyhow, it is the wonderful Katina, and she is with her, see, I'm going to get her channel correctly, Cat Opens Up. That is her channel here on YouTube. Now, you guys all know how these collabs work. Somebody got my name, so they sent me this wonderful package from Shop Miss A. I got Kat's name, so I went shopping for her and had it shipped to her, directly to her. Now, we did have a limit, and I know some of us went over, you may have even gone under, it all depends. But we had a limit on how much we could spend for each individual, for each one of us ladies. Anyhow, there is going to be a playlist down below in the description box. Now, mind you, Cherie from Single Mom Review sent me this bag. So this came directly to me. She went shopping, sent it directly to me. I had Kat's name, Cat Opens Up, and that's who you're going to go to next to see what I sent her. Okay, so let's see. Oh, there's just a few more things I want to get out of the way. There is a giveaway. Each individual channel will have their own separate giveaway. It's only going to run for approximately 1 week. And that date will also be down in my giveaway rules, which please make sure you read. Actually, technically doesn't even matter today because today the giveaway doesn't end. All right, you guys, what's going to be my secret word for the giveaway? Keep watching and I'll let you know as this video goes along. Okay, so Shop Miss A, you guys familiar with this? I'm not. What I wanted to say is if you are coming over from another channel and you do not have you haven't hit that, that subscribe button right there, please do. I really think you're going to like this channel and you're going to love my alter ego Sassy Pants, who hosts the Mass Mondays. She's a hoot. I have a few others. There's 5. There's a video. It'll pop up right here. Talks all about my alter egos and all 5 of us. Anyway, let's get on with this. Okay. I'm dumping all this stuff right here in front of me. And I can tell you right now, you guys, my Lord Almighty, did Cherie go shopping. Oh, and it does say in here, which is okay. It says one item, they give you a $2 credit. See, in case something that she was looking for or something she did purchase didn't make it in this little bundle. So it does say, if you would prefer a refund, send us an email, include a picture of this flyer and your invoice. 1 or more of your items have sold out. That can happen. I think that can happen with any company. So you know what? That's okay. Unless it was something like totally badass, right? Okay, so this is what I got from Mint hair clip, which I do have a lot of hair. I usually wear scrunchies, but you know what? To keep my hair up and out, Sassy's gonna love this. And then the premium hair mask. Ooh, oh, nice. Oh my God, hopefully my daughter doesn't take this from me. My daughter is a hair mask, like just every time she shampoos her hair, oh, please tell me something's leaking. I think when I cut across this bubble, I tap just a tiny bit right here and it's the oil. So I'm going to keep it upside down like this. I'll put it in a cup and keep it upside down. This is sending me back on the memory train. Like, oh, that coconut oil is crazy. Crazy, gorgeous, beautiful scent. Okay. Next by AOA Studio. This is the Sugar Lips. It's a lip scrub. Now I got to ask you guys a question, okay? Sorry, it's upside down. I got to ask you guys a question. I see AOA everywhere. What does AOA stand for? I mean, I know it's Shop Miss A, but this has to be a brand. And I've been trying to, apparently I haven't researched it enough to find out what it is. But I need to find out what AOA is because I see it a lot. AOA, Shop Miss A, okay. And then LA Colors, this is Pout lip gloss in the color matte. It is a matte. What's the color? XOXO. This is like right up my alley, that color. Like I said, you can get a lot for the amount. I think it was $25, $30 was our limit. You can get a lot at Shop Miss A. I had never shopped there. I had a blast shopping for Kat. Okay, the next one is also a lip gloss. This one looks like it might have a little bit of glitter in it. Maybe. I know it's tough to see, you guys. Always. This is little. Now, I will say this. This is a child's, because there's no way an adult would be able to get this on their head. But I have a little baby girl, granddaughter, that loves that I do skincare. And she's always like a little mini me. Her mom's the same way. And her name is Talia. She's 2.5. She's going to be 3 years old this year. She will love this. Because like I said, it's very small. I mean, you just put it on your... So, I just don't understand the headbands when it comes to these for skincare. And the reason I say that is because adults are the ones doing their skincare, not children. You know, unless you put this on a child as a decoration on their hair, make them for adult heads. It's very cute though, Cherie. Okay, let's keep going because I know you can put a whole bunch of stuff inside of a bag. And then at AOA Studio, once again, this is a green tea makeup remover wipe. There's a 15 count pH balanced, alcohol free. So you get this, and you know what? It's funny. I'm like down to my last few in there. I use these to clean the swatches off the back of my hands. So that'll come in perfect. It'll come in handy. And man, did she listen when I said I did mention this. And oh my gosh, the under eye masks, the little, you know, like, remember Sassy back on Mass Monday? She did the queso fresco or whatever, bean dip, avocado, that one. So I got 4. She sent 4 in my pack. This is cute. So there's 2 of these right here. These 2 right here, this one right here is the gold hydrogel under eye pad. Hydrate, soothe, and soften. 15-minute eye therapy. Oh my God, Sassy's going to be in heaven. Sass is going to be in heaven. I'm telling you. So there's 2 of those. And then there's the collagen hydrogel. Oh, this is a lip mask. That's a lip mask. I thought it was an eye. And this one is Renew, Restore, and Revive. 15-minute. Oh, I did need more of those. And then the last one is as well another under eye pad, retinol. How did you know? How did you know? Like, seriously, I need retinol. So these are very nice. They're by Luxe Beauty Care. All 4 of those. And then, of course, a facial mask by C'est La Vie. And this is the pomegranate. It brightens and enhances. And so there's a face mask for Miss Sassy. Actually, she'll probably use it when we're in here chilling out watching TV and Netflix is clicking through the channels. Finds this a good movie. We're almost out of movies. We've like watched and binge watched everything. Okay, and then there is by Baroness. It is a vitamin C mask. So this one's another nice one. Always love the vitamin C because it helps fade and even and balance your skin. It's citrus, therefore it helps fade those spots that come with age. And if you didn't take care of your skin, and we're always out in the sun back in the 70s and 80s putting baby oil on because we were idiots. That's all I'm going to say. Okay, what else do we have? Another one by AOA. Oh, it's $1. Look at it, it's $1. It's an egg. It's a cleaning egg. Cleaning egg leaves makeup brushes squeaky clean. Latex-free, high-grade silicone. Easy to use. Glides on your finger. Okay. Okay, that is... Oh my God, this is gonna make, I have one that suctions to the bottom of my sink in the bathroom. But this is kind of cool. You stick your fingers in there and just clean them. Oh, nice. Nice. It's time to clean some brushes. Either that or I'm gonna make Sassy do it. And then a macadamia oil premium hair mask. Cherie, this, you know what? I'm gonna hide these because my daughter, if she sees this video, she's gonna drive over here and take them. Check this out. Without the glare. Moisturizes and strengthens. Helps strengthen hair, which can help prevent hair breakage. Love it. Another under eye mask by Luxe Beauty. This one is the collagen. And then a little eyeshadow palette by Just Color. Okay, this is it opened up, and I'm going to try to be careful like this. It's got a little brush with it. There you go. These were colors that Sassy definitely would have loved using today. Wow, and those beautiful reddish raspberry grapes. And it has a cute little brush, which I like because they're sponges. Sponges transfer eyeshadow 10 times better than brushes do. I have a whole thing back here full of them. Last but not least, and it does have a sharpener on it. This is by Santee. It's an eyeliner in the color Charcoal. And as you said, there's the top, so it does have a sharpener. I don't want to take the plastic off because I want this video to stay short. You got a lot of videos to watch, and we definitely don't want you sitting here watching a 20-minute video. Unfortunately, they're going to run a little bit longer than 10 to 12 minutes, only because there's so much stuff inside that package. All right, that's everything that I have for you guys. I want to thank you very much to Cherie Single Mom Review, who sent me this package. And now, if you guys will, I'm going to send you over to Kat. Kat opens up, and you're going to find her video and link down below in the description box. But before you go, I got a secret word for you. It's going to be easy. And this secret word is for the giveaway that I'm having, because all of us that are participating and having a giveaway, it's not all like together. You're not required to do all this other stuff. Now, I would appreciate it if you were subscribed to all the girls' channels that you are bouncing from one to the next to the next. That would be fantastic. Don't forget to give these ladies a thumbs up, a like. You know, collabs are tough. It takes a lot of our time. It does take money, and it takes a lot of care, you know, into putting those packages together that you're sending the person you got. So, without further ado, here comes that secret word. You knew it was going to be a package. Egg. That's it. Right there. No. Right there. Egg. That's it. That's your secret word. Use it in a sentence down below. Okay, you guys, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Head on over to Kat. And also, you guys give her a big old huge yay, because she's the one that organized this whole thing and put it together. And I'm also doing her Galentine's next month in February, which goes live on February 14th. Okay? And I believe there's the giveaway in that one too. I don't know. It's just giveaways everywhere. You guys take care. And until my next video, bye.